Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the continuation of microbes in human welfare, in which we discussed about microbes in household products and in industrial products. Today we shall discuss about microbes in sewage treatment. Sewage is the waste material, that is wastewater and human waste, which is carried away from homes in large underground pipes. These pipes are called sewers. There are two types of sewage: black water or waste water from toilets, and grey water. Grey water is the waste water from domestic sources except toilets. Black water and grey water have different characteristics, but both contain pollutants and disease causing agents that require treatment. In cities and towns, large quantities of wastewater are generated every day. The major component is human excreta. It contains large amount of organic matter and microbes. Many of the microorganisms are pathogenic. Pathogenic means disease causing organisms. Wastewater cannot be discharged into natural water bodies like rivers and streams directly because it not only contains human excreta and other organic waste but also a number of pathogenic microbes which cause significant environmental and health problems, including water pollution, the spread of diseases, and depletion of aquatic life. Before disposal, the sewage is treated in sewage treatment plants. To treat the water before releasing it into open water bodies or using it for an non-potable purpose like irrigation or industrial processes to make it less polluting. Wastewater treatment is done by heterotrophic microbes which are naturally present in the sewage. Heterotrophic microbes are the microbes that derive their energy from organic compounds rather than inorganic sources like sunlight or chemicals. Wastewater or sewage is treated in two stages, that is, primary treatment and secondary treatment. Primary treatment includes filtration and sedimentation, whereas secondary treatment utilizes activated sludge to reduce organic compounds or organic matters. Let us understand about primary treatment. Primary treatment involves the removal of particles like large particles and small particles from sewage through filtration and sedimentation. Initially, floating debris is removed by filtration and the grit, that is soil and small pebbles, are removed by sedimentation. All the solids settle, form the primary sludge, and the supernatant forms the effluent. The effluent from the primary settling tank is taken for secondary treatment. Next, we will move on to secondary treatment. Secondary treatment is also called as biological treatment. The effluent from the primary treatment is passed into large aeration tanks where it is constantly agitated and the air is pumped into it. This allows the growth of useful aerobic microbes into flocs. The flocs are the masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form mesh-like structures. During its growth, microbes consume the major part of organic matter which is present in effluent. This reduces the BOD of the effluent. BOD stands for biochemical oxygen demand. BOD refers to the amount of dissolved oxygen that microorganisms consume while decomposing organic substances in water. The sewage water is treated till the BOD is reduced. The BOD test measures the rate of oxygen uptake by microorganisms in the water sample, and thus indirectly BOD is a measure of organic matter present in the water. Greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its polluting potential. Once the BOD of wastewater is reduced, the effluent is passed into settling tank where the bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. This sediment is called activated sludge. A small part of activated sludge is pumped back into aeration tank to serve as an inoculum. The remaining part of the sludge is pumped into large tanks called anaerobic sludge digesters. Here, the other bacteria which grow anaerobically digest the bacteria and the fungi in the sludge. During this digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. These gases form biogas and can be used as a source of energy as it is inflammable. The effluent from the secondary treatment is released into natural water bodies like rivers and streams. This methodology has been practiced for more than a century in almost all parts of the world. Till date, no man technology has been able to rival the microbial treatment of sewage. Due to the increased urbanization, sewage is being produced in larger quantities than ever before. However, the number of sewage treatment plants are not increased enough to treat such large quantities. Hence, the untreated sewage is discharged directly into rivers, leading to their pollution and increase in waterborne diseases. Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan has been initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to save the major rivers from pollution. Under these plans, it is proposed to build large number of sewage treatment plants so that only treated sewage may be discharged in the rivers. Hence, the water pollution can be reduced. In the next class, we shall discuss about microbes in biogas production. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. Until then, stay curious.